the time that passed away very quick. Night after night I read your letters you sent to me. I checked my inbox just in case I got lost message from you. I would never get so lucky, especially if I was still with you. Out of the shadows you still linger, your eyes so dark in silhouette. You retreat to the background from the top. You outline new dimension for me. I got now my new cutting tool. I no longer can hang around with you. You found her on our first date. You move so quick and fast, you killed two birds in flight just with one stone. You chose her, not me, when she told you you can move in with her. You played us both for fools until I found her and told her, but she did not believe any jealous old girlfriends like me. You gonna change her for her, even for her, when she gave you an ultimatum on me. But you lied to her, pretend you never loved me. But only her you gonna get found out, you see. By the way, you didn't have to go to work when you was with me. Now you're working for her, do she got you what she wants under her feet? Here with me, you had it free with me. I made you breakfast in bed one day too. We were happy together, but you found her on our first day up in the city of London. I never drawn any attention then, but I clearly remember you give a look in the restaurant. You went to Jensen, took your time. She was sitting in the next room, but you got a pass Holloway to men's room. So on your way back you turned right instead of left to me. You instead went to her for chat. I think you're a big liar. You knew her, this very girl, well, from your past. You bumped to each other just by a chance. The spark was still for her, but not your new date. So like a rat you run right back to her. You made up and you stuck me like a bit on the side. For you I'm breaking of this little sting of yours. Learn a big lesson, you back.